Welcome back to our class, How to Own Your Energy. So we saw in Module 1, we learn about body awareness. And in Module 2, we learn about thought awareness. So now let's talk about energy awareness. And before we enter our practical exercise, I would like to talk a little bit with you about energy field. So let's go into simple definition of a field. A field is an area where a force has an influence on every point of that area. There is two types of field. The measurable, that is more physical, and you can sense them with normal sense. And you can find them in nature, just like sound or electromagnetic field. And there is a more subtle one that hidden from your senses, but you can cap them with your psychic abilities. And they are the consequences of them. You can feel them. So both of those fields are interconnected in the human energy field. And they can interact with each other in a harmful way or in a beneficial way. So let's give me an example. You walk in the street and you saw a dog. And that dog reminds you of a dog that unfortunately you lost as a child. Just seeing as a dog will give the emotion of grief or sadness, and you might feel a tightness in your heart, or your chest is going to contract, and that impacts your body. It impacts that field of your body, physical. So you can see that there is interconnection, but there is also the beneficial way too. You can see at something that reminds you something in your childhood that you're really happy about it, and you have butterfly in your body. So you see, interconnection. And the main difference between those two fields are actually the speed of information or the vibration. The speed of information goes way, way, way faster in the subtle energy field. If we look at the human field, and in the PDF, we give you a schema about that. And so you have hundreds of energy fields. I would like you to imagine that a single sound, has an energy field. So we cannot really grasp how many energy fields that we have. But the one that we represent the most, because the most part of the body, is actually the auric field, the aura. I'm sure that you already heard about that, the aura. If you look at the drawing, you will see it's concentric band all around the body, and they all have a color. Each band represents a body energy, but it's also partner with a chakra. So how does it work? Imagine that the chakra is an antenna, and you capture the information from the subtle energy field, and you give the information through the skin, and through the meridian, it will distribute information in the body. So you see interconnection between the subtle energy field and the body. So what did we learn today? We learned today that actually both of energy fields are interconnected. The body, mind, and energy are interconnected. But also, because the speed of information is faster in the energy field, you capture the energy faster in the subtle ways than in the physical way. So you see how much it's important to actually have body awareness, because you might find there is a disturbance in your energy field before it impacts your physical body. You might find a disease in your energy field before it attacks your body. So that's it for today, and we'll go into practical exercise soon. Thank you.